Hello there, this is Janica from Prosperna. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Today, I'm here to show you how to assign promo codes to a product. Promo codes are essential to attract new and old customers by giving them an incentive to buy from you. Some promo codes can have price deductions on the customer's cart or used to get a discount on a single product. Here's how to do it. Log into your backend account. Go to Products. Click on the Promo Code tab and select Create. Fill out the required fields and click Create. To assign the promo code you created, go back to your product list. Click on your desired product. Click on the Promo Codes tab. To enable your promo code, click on the checkbox next to your desired promo code. Click Save and Activate. That's it for this tutorial. You can learn more about other features by reading our online knowledge base at help.prosperna.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool digital marketing content. Be sure to hit the bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For more awesome updates, you can also like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. See you on the next episode.